China is a major infrastructure country that leads the way in various areas such as highways, railways, and water conservancy. However, there is a phenomenon that leaves people puzzled. If you come to China, you will often see municipal workers repairing broken roads. It seems that China's roads have always been patched up, and you can always see patches of scars similar to renovating marks on the roads. However, looking at China's neighbor Japan, they never need any patches, and their roads can always stay new year-round. This raises the question, is China's road repair technology inferior, or is Japan's technology superior? If so, how can China boast of being a strong infrastructure country? Okay, that and more is exactly what we are going to talk about. Roads are one of the foundations for a country's development. No matter what is being developed, the first step is to improve transportation. According to statistics from China's Ministry of Transport, as of the end of 2022, China's road mileage reached about 5.35 million kilometers, of which highways accounted for about 177,000 kilometers. In addition, in 2022, the fixed asset investment in rural roads in China was approximately 473.3 billion yuan, and more than 180,000 kilometers of roads were newly built or renovated. Compared with the early days of the country's founding, when China had only 80,800 kilometers of drivable roads, the development of transportation in China is very fast. Moreover, China has not only built roads in cities and rural areas but also in places like Tibet where the population is sparse and the environment is harsh. In 2022, the mileage of Tibet's drivable roads reached approximately 12.14 kilometers, an increase of 720 kilometers. Therefore, China's road construction cannot be inferior to that of other countries. Otherwise, it would be impossible to achieve such a large coverage and rapid growth in mileage. So, what is the reason that China's roads are easily damaged? First, China has a massive number of road users. In my opinion, the fundamental reason why China's roads need frequent repairs compared to Japan is due to the different scale of road usage. Japan's total land area is only about 378,000 square kilometers, which is roughly equivalent to the area of Yunnan province in China. To be more precise, Yunnan province has an area of about 394,100 square kilometers, which is even larger than Japan. Although Japan has a relatively developed economy and technology, the population is small. According to data from Japan's Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications as of October 1, 2022, including foreigners, Japan's total population is only 124.947 million people, a decrease of about 556,000 compared to 2021, and it may continue to decline in the future. This is because Japan's population has been declining for 12 consecutive years. Looking at China's population, it has already exceeded 1.4 billion, and the population of just one province, Guangdong, is more than the entire population of Japan. China's large land area and population clearly indicate that a large number of people use the roads in China, and with considerable frequency. In fact, the volume of road transportation in China is very large. According to data from the Chinese Ministry of Transportation, in just January and February 2023, the national passenger traffic volume reached 617.38 million people. Japan, being an island country, can rely on water transportation to a large extent to alleviate its domestic traffic volume in addition to land transportation. Moreover, China's road freight volume, according to data from the National Bureau of Statistics in 2022, was 371.2 million tons. All these data indicate that even the strongest roads built in China cannot withstand such long-term, large-scale, and high-frequency usage. Therefore, in terms of scale, the number and usage of roads in Japan are not as much as those in China, making Chinese roads appear to be outdated more quickly. Secondly, it is because of the different materials used in road construction. Although China's roads become dilapidated quickly due to high usage and require frequent repairs, we must acknowledge that the quality of materials used for Japanese roads is indeed superior. Japan almost exclusively uses asphalt roads, using either the more expensive petroleum asphalt or Trinidad Lake asphalt, resulting in smooth and durable roads that look great. Additionally, there is little difference in the way urban or rural roads are built in Japan, and cement roads are rarely seen. Therefore, the national roads all look similar, without any particularly run-down areas. In China, there are both asphalt and cement roads. Cement roads deteriorate faster, and their lifespan varies depending on the material used. Fourth grade roads require repair after 10 years, third grade after 15 years, second grade after 20 years, and first grade after 30 years. Furthermore, this is only the theoretical lifespan, and if heavy vehicles often pass through cement roads, the speed of damage will increase, requiring maintenance every few years. The usual method of repairing roads in China is to precisely repair the damaged area. Pedestrians can often see a section of road enclosed and labeled as municipal construction. After this area is fixed, the color will surely be different from the old road surface, making it look like a scar on the skin, very prominent. The quality of asphalt roads is better than that of cement roads. Additionally, asphalt paved roads have more flexibility and can absorb shock, making walking or driving feel softer than cement roads. Unfortunately, asphalt roads are expensive to build, and for China's extensive road network, using asphalt paving entirely would be too costly. Furthermore, the issue with asphalt roads is that when exposed to high temperatures in the summer, the asphalt will melt, causing the road surface to be sticky and adhere to car tires and shoes. In summary, Japan has a smaller area, more developed waterways, and fewer road miles, so it can invest more and build higher standard roads. China's current priority is to develop its economy, so it has chosen a more cost-effective way. One of the commonly used road construction materials in China is concrete, which has better quality than ordinary cement roads and is more cost-effective than asphalt roads. Therefore, it is not a lack of technology that prevents China from building high-quality roads, but rather, China's priority is to first satisfy the transportation needs of its citizens and the transportation of goods. At last, let's talk about some other reasons for Japan's good road condition. In addition to the advantage of materials, Japan's roads can maintain their excellent condition year-round due to another reason. Whenever a road section is damaged, they will excavate and rebuild the entire section layer by layer with asphalt. However, this process takes too much time, which is not suitable for China's current situation. Both daily travel and freight transportation in China cannot afford to wait for such a long time due to the country's transportation demand and economic development. By the way, when repairing small road sections in China, asphalt reinforcement is used to extend the road service life as much as possible. Furthermore, unlike China, overloaded trucks are not a common sight on Japanese roads because they do not have as much large cargo to transport. In China, overloaded trucks are a frequent occurrence. Although the Ministry of Transportation has repeatedly emphasized that overloading is strictly prohibited and carries heavy penalties, many truck drivers still take the risk due to their livelihood. As a result, the load-bearing capacity of the roads is further increased, and the actual service life of the roads is greatly reduced. In conclusion, China's road construction is not inferior in terms of technology, but rather due to objective factors. However, China has significantly increased the number of asphalt roads, and the road quality will continue to improve as the economy steadily develops. Have you been to China? What do you think of the road conditions in China? Are Japanese roads really much better than Chinese roads? How about the road conditions where you are? Well, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments section. We'll come back as soon as possible and check them, and then we'll give feedback. See you next time.